Welcome to the wild world of heavy machinery fails. Brace yourself for jaw-dropping moments where powerful machines misbehave, leaving chaos and disbelief in their wake. Let the mayhem begin. Oh no! That tank just tipped over while trying to climb on the flatbed truck. What a wild sight! That excavator just delivered a nasty surprise when it slammed into the cable. Let's hope they've learned a crucial lesson about staying cautious around utilities. How awful! When the train passed beneath the low bridge, its roof simply crumbled. Check out that truck hanging in the air for a moment before it slowly lowers down. What a remarkable sight! This dangerous moment was caught on camera. An accident happened just seconds later as the excavator attempted to demolish the beam. Luckily, he escaped unharmed. Thank goodness for that. Watch as the waves crash against the tanker's side. It's an exhilarating clash of nature and machinery. Seeing the liquid boiling over from the tanker shows how small mistakes can cause big problems. Enjoy the feels? Like and subscribe for more. Watch out! The excavator just lost the wheel, and it's rolling straight towards us. What a heart-stopping moment! Only someone who really understands their truck would drive it like that. Or maybe they're just really brave. Let's see. A crane accident caused by a careless driver. It's a reminder that a moment of inattention can lead to serious consequences. Wow! That heavy timber truck just collapsed the bridge and flipped over. What a shocking turn of events! Check this out! The excavator is frantically scooping up sand to stop the fire from spreading. What a heroic effort to contain the flames! That's crazy! Truck owners think they're driving submarines. This crane just couldn't handle the massive weight of that large module. Fortunately, the driver managed to escape just in time. Impressive! Bomag's BC1173 RB-5, 125,000-pound garbage compactor, crushed 2 cars. The demonstration showcased the machine's immense power. This great flood forced these people to stop their work to avoid danger. The plane burns fuel fiercely, emitting a dramatic exhaust flame. Luckily, thanks to its efficient propeller, the fire is contained, preventing it from spreading further. Carrying an overload like this is an extremely risky job. Look at that! The truck hit the slick road and spun around completely. What a wild ride! That was dangerous! While demolishing the building, it tipped a bit towards the excavator. Fortunately, the driver was not injured. Look! A stuck tractor is being rescued. This is a true testament to the spirit of teamwork. Oh no! The truck just toppled off the ferry. What a shocking turn of events! Wow, that container just fell out of nowhere. Luckily, the truck seemed to sense the disaster and managed to dodge it just in time. Absolutely wild. Would you dare drive through an area where alligators are waiting below like this? A garbage truck suddenly bursts into flames in the streets. It's a scene of complete chaos. It's clear they really pour their hearts into their work, even when they get stuck. The operators are truly brave as large rocks tumble down around them. Just one small mistake could lead to a disaster. Oh, the operator tried to cross the bank, but water entered the engine bay, causing it to struggle and produce a lot of smoke. Check this out! A wind turbine is being demolished in a spectacular explosion. Whoa, look at that truck! It's on fire, and thick black smoke is pouring out. What a terrifying sight! A tractor driver lost control, nearly rolling over after performing dangerous stunts without a seatbelt. Luckily, he wasn't hurt. Oh no! As it navigated the rough sandy road, the truck suddenly tipped over and fell into the river. What a shocking turn of events! I have no idea how this guy ended up working on the riverbank, but thankfully, he was rescued after a great effort. Check out this bulldozer struggling to escape from the collapsed bridge. It's a real test of skill. This Komatsu dozer took on a massive rock, way heavier than itself. Despite the struggle, with some help from the loader, they finally got it down. Whoops, it looks like this truck just had a major fail. It's terrifying. I can feel the heat radiating everywhere. This place feels like the 18th layer of hell. Check it out. This bulldozer is stuck, but no worries. The excavator is here to lend a hand. Yikes! That truck just slammed right into a tree. Talk about a sudden stop. The excavator is like a child playing with water. But look out, he's gotten himself into trouble. All you need is a 200 kilo counterweight on the front. Uh-oh, the tractor is loading heavy rocks onto the truck, but things took a turn when the truck tipped over. Oh! The forklift seems unable to handle the heavy load, and it's starting to tip over. Wow, The truck is trying to cross the river, but it's sinking fast. What a dramatic situation! Oh no! The truck suddenly tipped forward, starting the driver, but fortunately, no one was injured. It's amazing to witness this legendary truck's consistent performance. Rescuing the stuck tractor, showcasing the amazing team spirit here. Wow! The truck plunged nose first into a huge hole, but the excavator quickly came to rescue it as if nothing had happened.